Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the Canadian Workshop. We've got a quick fix here today. I picked up this free air compressor on Marketplace, and the reason why they got rid of it is it wouldn't build up pressure, and it's going to be a quick fix. I'll show you how to do it. So this is a contractor style air compressor with the two parallel tanks on it. This one here just happens to be a Mastercraft Maximum air compressor. And what happens is when we turn it on, the pressure doesn't build up. The gauges here stay low. There is some air that builds up, but not much. As soon as there starts to be any kind of pressure in here, there's a leak that develops right around here. So we'll take this apart and see what's going on. All right, so I think it's pretty easy to see what's going on here. Whoever had it before me noticed that there was a leak on this line, and they tried to fix it themselves, but let's see if I could prop it up here so we can see. So you can see they tried to fix it themselves, but they didn't have a flaring tool, so they cut notches down the length of the pipe and bent the pieces out, hoping that it would seal properly. And this is actually at the lower end of the air compressor there, but there's also air coming out at this upper valve here, and you can see they bent this to get at the valve, so I just bent it up higher. But we're going to put Teflon tape on both threaded ends, on up here and down on that one there, down below. And I'm going to cut this pipe as close as I can to those notches, and I'll use a flaring tool, and I'll flare this pipe back out, and hopefully it's long enough to reach. It already is pretty short, so hopefully it's long enough to reach, and we'll get it up and running. All right, so I use this old flaring tool that I have here to flare the end of the hose where it was split. So we cut that the end off where they just cut notches down the side and tried to flare it out. So we've got a good flare on both ends now. So hopefully the hose will be long enough. I'll try to put it in and see what happens. I got a quick tip here for you. I've got to put Teflon tape around this fitting, but there's not enough room behind it for this whole roll of Teflon to go around it. So all you got to do is roll up some Teflon tape on a pen or pencil, and then there'll be lots of room to fit that pencil or pen behind the fitting in order to bring the Teflon tape around to be able to wrap it. So that makes it real easy to get into those tight spots where you need to put on Teflon tape and you just can't get to it. And there you go. So I got some Teflon tape on this bottom fitting and some Teflon tape on this top fitting. Now I just need to reinstall this hose in place and see if it holds. All right, so we got the air line back on. Both ends are sealed up, and we'll see what happens. I turned it off. I don't want to be standing right beside it when it gets past that red line, just in case it decides to blow. But you can see now it's working. The pressure went up this time, so it did gather up pressure. So it seems to be working, and she's holding. There we go. She works. So another free air compressor that I got off of Marketplace. That with about 10 minutes worth of work. I got it all fixed up, so now I could either turn around and sell it at a profit, give it to somebody who needs it, or just set it up and use it somewhere here to my shop. So thanks a lot for watching. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any of my upcoming videos. And we'll see you on the next one.